Military Academy out of West Point. Aaron Ingleson and Damon King. There's 2, 3. We're looking for 4. All right, we got 4. There we go. We got 4 good canopies, ladies and gentlemen. All right, in just a moment, they're going to get a little closer. Now, one thing I want you to know, that when they hear you, so as they get close to the ground, please raise a ruckus. Let them know. Enthusiastic crowd, I'll give that to you. Raise the roof, everybody. The United States Military Academy out of West Point and their parachute team. Here comes Old Glory. In this order, they landed Tom Falzone, Anthony Rucker, Aaron Ingleson, and Damon King with the flag. Beautiful stand-up landings. It doesn't... Just hang on there, my Jimmy Buffett fan. Plane, we've managed to get you a pilot. Ladies and gentlemen, coming in from the left, here comes the Lakota helicopter that carried our skydivers this morning, our parachute team. From the left, here they are, Ryan Otto and Sean Brown at the controls, crew chief Randall Summerall. I'll bet you he's hanging out the door today because that's the best seat in the house. Everybody wave as they go by. How's that for a ceiling fan? Maybe we can get him to hover over us today, keep that breeze going. All right, well, anyway, we're getting our buddy ready to go here.